Hey YouTube, it's SJ and today I'm back with the unboxing of the Vans SK8-Hi Reissue in Lurex. Oh yeah, these sparkle. Let's get to it. Hi YouTube, it's SJ and I am back from my travels and we are unboxing a pair of Vans today. But before I show you the Vans, first of all, if you're new to this channel, I don't know what we do. What do we do, Mr. B? We do sneaker unboxings and things. We also stream every Sunday at around 8 PM here in the UK, 12 PM on the West Coast, 3 PM on the East Coast. Come along and join us at everything sneaker related. And if you haven't already, we'd love for you to hit that old subscribe button, which is about there, and that notification button so that you don't miss one of our sneaker updates. But I'm gonna shut up now. And let's get to the unboxing. Shall we take a look, Mr. B? Yes, let's do that. So these are a Vans SK8-Hi Reissue. They are Lurex glitter. Black chew. These are US men's size 7, women's 8.5, which is a UK 6, European 39. And the code on these, because I'm not sure that you can actually get these in Vans stores, I might be wrong on that, is VN0A2XSBU3T. And these are actually a pair of Vans that I picked up from a Madewell store. Now, if you're not in the US, you may not be familiar with that, but Madewell is the sister brand to J. Crew. Actually, you may not know J. Crew. It's sort of the more cheaper, fun, younger brand, and I like a lot of their clothes. But anyway, let's open these up, and oh my word. I did that old-fashioned thing as well, people, as you can probably tell, because these aren't in another box. I actually went into a shop and bought these from a person, not online. And these may be quite possibly be the sparkliest shoes that you will ever see. And let's go to sneaker cam. Because can you see that sparkle? Now, I know Vans aren't always the most exciting shoe to unbox, but you all know that I love a Van and I love a SK8-Hi, and these are just bonkers. They really are. Now, as I said, I think these are an exclusive Vans drop to Madewell. Madewell do lots of collaborations with different brands, including Vans and Carhartt, and these are just bonkers. I think, you know, I know you can get glittery Vans around this time, particularly in the US in Vans stores, but they are not this glittery, are they, Mr. B? Have you ever seen anything like that? I mean, it's just bonkers. Now, they are silver, but it's kind of like a dirty silver. I'm trying to think of the word that describes. It's like a gunmetal silver. You say that's right?
I think it's like gunmetal.
Yeah, so it's not like a pure, real, shiny silver. If they were, I probably wouldn't have bought them. The one thing that really sets these off is the laces, because they are super sparkly as well. Put it this way, I'm gonna look like some sort of twinkle-toed festive fairy when I wear these later today. I had to get this unboxing video out, and as I said, I know it's not the best one because it's a pair of Vans and there's not much to say. It's a SK8-Hi, it's glitter. It does have, actually, now I'm saying there's not much to say, the leather, this is leather all around here, all around the heel area and the ankle area, and it's actually really nice leather. Inside is all canvas. They are quite tight because of the glitter. I'm assuming the glitter material has just made them feel a little bit tighter, but I did stick with true to size rather than sizing up. I did try the half size up, but they were just too big. You can't go wrong with a SK8-Hi, and as it's holiday season, you've got to wear some silly shoes, haven't you? You've just got to. So I'm going to be wearing these later on tonight, which is why I had to get this unboxing video out, because Mr. B was not going to let me wear these without doing a little unboxing. They also did an old school in a really, it's almost like a greenish tinged gold. Again, it was a really nice sneaker, but for me, it had to be these. It just had to be these. I'm acting like an absolute idiot, aren't I? It's very early in the morning. As I said, I want to wear these tonight. I want to get this video out for you guys. There really isn't much else to say, but as always, what do you think of these? Cop or not? Drop or pick up? been a while since I've done one of these videos and it feels like it. But I've got some super cool sneakers that I'm also going to share with you very soon, haven't I, Mr. B? They may be Nike Maharishis. Oh yeah, baby, oh yeah. So I'm going out. I will see you on the next upload, but as always, leave us a comment. What do you think of these? Sparkle shoes for the holidays, sparkle shoes all year round, I say, yep. Let us know what you think. And yeah, as always, thank you to everybody that has subscribed recently, and we will see you on the next upload. Over and out. Getting my festive fairy on.